What's good, everybody? Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to show you what's inside my refrigerator. As you can see, I don't really have that much. Let me stand back. See, I only have like waters and Snapples and Gatorades and, you know, on here, just water. Right here, I got butter, On this side, I got garlic. I got ranch, which I don't even eat ranch. I got blue cheese. You know what I'm saying? I got mayo. I got Italian dressing. I got, what else I got?